crafters! Well, I am here with my first official design team project. I have done some guest design team projects in the past, but this is my first actual design team project, and I'm so excited to be on the team with other very great crafters. So I'd like to show you my first project that I'm going to be making, or the papers that I'm going to use to make it. We'll go through this, and then once I have my project started and going, then I will be back with a walkthrough and tutorials on it. So here is the items that I got. Pardon the scratching or crackling. But first of all, I got this beautiful lace. I'm sure you've seen some of this in the past, but Blue Fern Studio just makes the most beautiful lace. Not a huge lace person, but this lace is beautiful. And then I also got some ribbons let me take them out because otherwise it'll be too shiny. All the crinkling. And so I got a couple other pieces of ribbon to go with the collection, and those can be used inside, outside a tie. We'll see what I'm going to do with that. And then the other thing that I got was the ephemera pack, and this is very fun. It has lots of really neat designs in it. They also have these letters they spell story, and you can use and that. So like maybe you wrote story and notes. But otherwise there's these beautiful cut aparts with images that match with the collection. Been looking through this last night. I got it late yesterday, thinking about if I can do some framed items within the mini album. My first project is going to be a mini album, and it's going to be a little bit different than what I've made in the past. Not that it hasn't ever been made like this by some other crafter, but I'm going to try doing it a little bit different than what I normally do for a mini album. So you'll have to wait to see what that's going to be. And here are the most lovely papers. This is probably one of my favorite papers because of the books on here, the vintage books. This one is called, the paper pack itself is called Jane's Memoirs, Pride and Prejudice. Well, this paper is Pride and Prejudice, but it's Jane's Memoirs is the paper collection, and it was designed by Jen Bishop, and this is what I got from Country Craft Creations. So this is the second side of it with some beautiful pink roses, and you can see that lace on the back of this paper as well. And then we have the next sheet that is called Calling Cards, and this is really neat because you can cut these up to make photo opportunities within your mini album, and or you can use the paper just as it is and cut it up as background paper. Very pretty, very simple. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's almost like a stitched or embroidered design in the back there. And then this paper is called Emma, and beautiful flowers, beautiful colors in here, and great lace, very soft, very gentle. So this one is called Locket and Key, and you can see it similar to some of the matching ephemera pieces. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful. Really, really beautiful. I love the vintage look with the tags in the back here. This one is called Mercantile. Just great collage papers, and with these little punches of color are awesome. Also remember with Blue Fern that you can always save these strips in the bottom, the extra strips, and you can use those for something else, whether it's making a card or doing a tag for your album. And then here we've got, this one is called Bouquet. Again, kind of that embroidered background. Vintage, very vintage looking lace. White stitched cotton. This one is called Distress Floral. Really, really nice. An English dictionary, or English language, a dictionary of English language. When I fall in love will be forever. This one was Distressed Floral. Oh, I think I said that. And then, beautiful picture. This one is called Le Petit Echo. In the back of that, almost looks a little bit like a water damaged piece of wallpaper. And here is a beautiful, beautiful page. I was thinking about using this maybe for the front of my cover, thinking that I may use that. This one is called Metropolitan, and this is the back, with almost kind of like a blurry floral in the back there. And then this one, oh, this is just beautiful. Love the colors, and I love the gray tones in here, gray in here. Yeah, just beautiful. And then we've got this, which is a collage. This one is called Stylograph. The other thing about Blue Fern, you may or may not be aware, but this cardstock itself, I would say cardstock, but design paper, is probably, I would say, anywhere from 90 to 110 pounds. It's very, very, well, maybe not 110, but it's got to be about 90 pounds. It's very, very thick, so it will be very sturdy in a album or whatever you're using. And then I got some extra colored papers, and these are called My Colors, and this one is called Frosty Pink. It's like a woven paper with a little bit of a shimmer on it. And then I got a beige with the shimmer on it, and this one is called Sandpaper. And then I've got the brown. Got shimmer on it, and this one is called Beryl Brown. And because of this one and this one, that's why I'm kind of thought about going with brown for my album covering. I think I'm going to do something in brown, a dark, deep brown from Country Craft Creations, their Artisan Cardstock. So other than these, the solid papers that I got in the package, I will be using Artisan Cardstock for any of my other things. And if I'm not, I'll let you know what I'm using. So, and then 2 pieces of chipboard for my album as well. So that is my design team package. And watch and look for the walkthrough coming up within the next couple weeks, and then the tutorials will be following the walkthrough. So I'm really excited to use this package because I know exactly what I'm going to be doing with it, and I'm excited to share that with you. So here we go. Thank you so much. And if you want to watch the rest of this package, or the design team package that comes through, please subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss any of the tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.